Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're going to do some bucking. So I got the MS 180C. She's all gassed up, all fueled up. I also got my Hookaroon, just in case if you guys need a part number or SKU number. This thing is beyond handy, grabbing, moving stuff after you buck it. And then I'm going to be using the Cant hook. Sticker kind of got messed up on here, but there's the SKU if you need it. Definitely worth it. This Cant hook is amazing. It helps me move logs I could never think of moving. But so that's what we got planned today. We're gonna buck the stuff behind us here. I know some of it's already bucked up, but I want to get some of the bigger stuff. Now we're getting down to the bottom, so we can get split and do it all in one shot. Get rid of it. But one other thing too, guys. Don't forget hearing protection. I got that. The 3M with the wireless Bluetooth. Got my gloves, so we're gonna get started. Alright guys, well that was just a quick one. Just doing some bucking just to kind of get some saw time in, but I gotta tell you, it's way too humid and hot out. It's got to be over 100 degrees out, and I'm dying. Plus I gotta sharpen the blade on the saw, and it's actually smoking a little bit probably from working it hard. But all right guys, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe, helps me bring more videos to you, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. All right, don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. Until next time guys, see ya.